Hi, I'm Brock with New Age Industrial, and today I'm going to show you how to assemble our keg rack shelving. Make sure you note during assembly that the heavy-duty shelves that are noticeably wider go on the bottom two sections for kegs. The top shelf is for lighter items such as boxes. Tools required is a 3/16 Allen wrench that comes with every order. We'll start by spreading out our shelves to the approximate location that you would like them set up. We are going to install one post into each corner at a time. The posts come pre-marked with rings at 2-inch increments. The bottom section has no rings to keep your bottom shelf up off the floor. Our first post goes in the bottom corner of our first shelf. Carefully aligning it with both shelves. The top shelf is most normally installed all the way at the top of your posts, but you can place it anywhere along the upright. Once you have all your shelves in the desired location, we'll start with our top shelf and tighten the set screw with your 3/16 Allen wrench. Move to our middle shelf and tighten that up. And now to our last shelf on the bottom. We'll tighten that up. Next, we install our second post. Making sure you line it up on the same rings as your first post. When you have it in the desired location, just tighten the set screws. And the next step is to repeat the process on the other side. The final step in assembly is to install these plugs into all of the Allen head hex key holes. These plugs ensure that no food debris gets stuck in any of the holes. This concludes the assembly of our keg rack shelving. For more information, visit us at newageindustrial.com.